is homeopathy treatment will aggravate the disease initially before actually it will cure? No, this idea is completely wrong. Then why this idea is in common now? It's only 200 years completed since the discovery of homeopathy system of medicine. So initially only a non-qualified practitioners are available to practice this system of medicine with limited knowledge about the subject just by referring some books. Usually disease diagnosis and selection of correct remedy and its follow-up, diet, management is always a very difficult task to non-professional practitioners. So in this scenario, as the disease advances further, in order to retain the patient confidence, they used to assure the patient by telling it's a natural phenomena. In the case of homeopathy treatment, initially the symptoms will aggravate, then actual cure of the disease will takes place. But fortunately, sometimes in some cases, like some self-limiting diseases, example common cold, viral fever, acute asthmatic attack, irritable bowel syndrome, etc., will complete their natural course without any medicinal need. So naturally, in this situation, patient also used to believe the concept of aggravation of the symptoms before it actually cures the disease might be the fundamental concept of homeopathy treatment. This is why this idea became a common notion among the people. But now the scenario has been completely changed. It's a very easy task nowadays to get access to a qualified homeopathy doctors who have master degrees. Here, you can get a quality treatment without undergoing any side effects, all with complete eradication of the disease, which was clearly evident to us by gradually increasing migration of the patients to the system of homeopathy every day. For online treatment and for more information regarding the subject, you can call to our numbers displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching the video.